Assalamu alaikum guys, hope you're all well. And today I got an amazing recipe, popcorn chicken, an easy recipe. Please stay with me guys and I'm going to get straight into it. Okay, for the popcorn chicken you got to make the mixture to marinate it. So you're going to need 2 tablespoons of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of ginger powder, 1 tablespoon of Worcester sauce, 1 egg whisked, 2 tablespoons of chili, red chili sauce, and a quarter of a cup of milk, whole milk that is. Give it a good mix guys, so the mixture is something like that. And then add some chicken in. I've got breast fillets here, cut into about tikka size, about half a kg. And then give that a good mix so all the mixtures on the chicken. Really give you a good seasoning. Excellent recipe this is guys, watch your fingers while eating it, I tell you. Anyway, give it a good mix and leave this to marinate for about an hour. But if you can do a bit more, that's well and good. Okay guys, this has been marinating for well over an hour now, so I'm going to give you a quick mix. I'll put that to the side and get another coating ready. For this coating you're going to need 1 cup of plain flour, half a cup of corn flour, half a teaspoon of ginger powder, 1 tablespoon of chili crushed chili flakes, half a teaspoon of salt or salt to taste, and give this a good mix. Mix all that flour and corn flour and the chili crush well in. Okay guys, so you'll take the chicken out of here, 1 piece at a time, and just put it in. You don't want to bring any mixture across, just the chicken really. Because you're going to need this mixer, so you don't want to bring any mixture across. You're going to be adding some egg into this mixture. Once you've got enough in there, then just cover it with that this flour and whatnot until it's all coated nice. Once it's coated, just take them out. Better off doing it by hand. So you'll coat them all like this. That's the first coating. Okay guys, once you've coated it with the flour, you'll get the mixture left over, add 2 eggs to that, whisked eggs. And you'll mix that egg into the mixture. This is the mixture left over from what we marinated the chicken in. Once you mixed it, then you'll add the chicken back in there. Okay, once you added a few pieces in, just give it a mix in there. Just a gentle mix really. Once you mix the chicken in there with that mixture again, then you'll take them out for the last time and put them in the flour again and coat them with that flour again before frying them. You don't want the mixture coming over again, just the chicken really. Put the chicken back in there and just give it a mix. Coat it with that flour again. Once you've done that to all of them, then I'll start frying them. Take the excess flour off it, put them to the side. Okay guys, the chicken's been marinated and coated, so I'm going to start frying it now on a medium heat. Bismillah. Just drop them in. This is a medium heat, don't forget. Amazing recipe. Quite straightforward really. Okay guys, get them in the pan, as many as you can get in. Don't overdo it though, because you want them to stir and move about. And just stir them about. Okay guys, you cook them till they're a nice golden brown. You don't want to cook them on too much of a high heat, because they're only small pieces of chicken and they'll get cooked on the outside and they'll stay raw on the inside. So you've got to be patient with them. But amazing popcorn chicken recipe. Okay guys, these are nearly done now. They've been cooking for a bit and they've got a nice golden brown and skin gone nice and crunchy. Crunchy on the outside, soft on the inside. That's the way you want them. I'll take them out and I'll show you. MashaAllah guys, the popcorn chicken's ready. So simple and amazing recipe it is. Absolutely amazing. You can enjoy these on their own or with chili sauce or with mayonnaise or whatever you prefer. Any types of dips or sauce. And I'm going to put the link in the description box below how to make the chili sauce, sweet and the chili sauce. Amazing recipe guys. So simple to do, better than the KFC. You get more satisfaction and you know exactly what you put in it. So please do have a go guys. Thanks for watching and please do like, subscribe and share to my channel. Until next time, Assalamu alaikum.